everyone, I am Faith Godbold from A Touch of Faith. Thank you for watching the replay. Come on in. We have started 30 days of lives, and I told you if I came back today, this meant we were starting. So this is day 2 of 30 days of lives, and I hope you're doing well. I can't wait to see who's going to join us today, either live or on a replay. So if you're watching this part, you may be watching the replay, but if you're already here, make sure you say live. Let me know you see us. And if you're watching replay, you can comment replay. I would love to have you all tune in each and every day for the next 28 days. So how are y'all doing? I hope you're doing well. I wanted to just spend a few minutes and show you what I created today in the Creative Circle. Hey, Miss Kathy is here. Thank you for joining. You're so supportive. So let me share us out. And if you want to let some of your family, friends, know that we're live, go ahead and sprinkle this live out. I see Miss Leslie is here. Hey, Leslie, thank you for tuning in live as well. So I am excited. I wanted to show y'all what we created today in the circle, and I think you're gonna love it. I'm already loving it. It's beautiful, and it's something for patriotic seasons that's upon us. 4th of July, we know, will be coming up next month. Wow, seems weird saying next month, but yeah, it will be coming up next month. And let's see. Every day you can certainly decorate with this every day. So I am excited to share this one with you. Okay, so I have just sprinkled the live out to a couple of places to get some more people on. And if you're ready to see it, oh, I love it. Miss Kathy's giving me red, white, and blue heart. I love it. If you're ready to see it, go ahead and say ready, because I'm telling you, we created something totally different and brand new. And I always love sharing the designs that the Lord gives me, because I know it's not me. It is all about Him and all of the beautiful designs that He helps me come up with. Okay, so I think, there we go. Okay, I know Miss Kathy is ready. Yay! I'm ready too. All right, so I'm going to show it to you. Leslie is ready. Thank you, Leslie. So I'm going to show you what we created. And while we're waiting, let me go ahead and just fill you all in. So normally we go live on Tuesdays and Saturdays. A long time ago, I used to go live on Sundays after Faith's Creative Circle Live would end, and I would show the design that I actually created in my studio with my students. However, over time, I realized, gosh, I'm spending a lot of time live on Sundays. So we moved our live from Sundays to Saturdays. And so now we go live on Saturdays and Tuesdays around 5:30. So I'm thinking for these 30 days of lives, for the next 28 days, I'll go live randomly at different times. And it may not always be in the same place. Like, I know you're used to me sitting at my studio table, so we might go live there, we might be here, we might go live at my desk. Who knows? We'll see. Mom, you were waiting on the notification. Yeah, it's so weird how sometimes it doesn't go out right away. So I'm not sure what happened with that, but I'm glad you're here now. Okay, so we're going to try this, and if you all can hang in there, either live or on replay, I would certainly appreciate you all so much. Okay, so we had several of you say you're ready, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and show you what we created. Let me disconnect my cable here so I can move my stand. I was charging my phone up because I realized that I hadn't charged it. All right, y'all, hang on one second. I'm going to turn the camera around. Let me remember how to do this. All right, here we go. I'm going to turn it around, and here it is. All right, everyone, take a look at our beautiful God Bless America Patriotic Grapevine Wreath. And yes, this is what I designed today in Faith's Creative Circle. And I'm absolutely loving the way this one turned out. And I had so much fun teaching this design. And it has so many gorgeous layers to it. So I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see it. Thank y'all so much for your wonderful comments. So look at all those gorgeous florals. And I love when I can tie a design together like this. And my students, they were excited too. And I was excited teaching them something new. And I've had this sign for a while, but I've only used it on a mesh-based wreath, and I wanted to try it on this grapevine. And I even added in some mesh with florals. And look at that beautiful bow cascading down. So this is what we created today. And I tell you what, this design is beautiful, but don't let me say it. Y'all tell me what you think. And I'll try to tilt it down. My light, of course, is creating a glare a little bit on the sign. There we go. So now you can see the sign a little bit better. And I love that sign because it's shaped like a flag. And of course, the words, God bless America. So if you love it too, leave me a heart, thumbs up. You can even put those red, white, and blue hearts in the comments. All right, let's see if I can bring the camera back to me. All right, so what did y'all think? Wasn't that amazing? Oh my goodness. So that's what we created today. And I'll leave it right here in the background so y'all can see it right there. So this is our beautiful wreath. I'm going to slide over just a little bit, see if I can move the camera a little bit more. So there is our beautiful design. So I'm absolutely loving this one. I have already listed it on the website. Let me see if I can find the link for us right here. Hopefully you're seeing that link pop up. So there's the link to this particular design. This is the only one I have, but I could not wait, y'all, to show it to you. So I said, you know what, we're gonna go live, and then this will be day 2 of our 30 days of live. So thank you so much for the hearts. I appreciate that. So what do you all think? Is this something that you could see hanging in your home, on your door, or on your wall? Because I tell you what, this beauty is ready to go. If you're local to Florence and you check out with that one, I can do a delivery, or you can pick it up. If you need it mailed, it's ready to be mailed out to you tomorrow. So yay. Hey, Miss Estella made it. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you. So what questions do y'all have? And again, this is a design I taught in the Creative Circle. And if you're interested in learning from me, you can certainly check out www.learnfromfaith.com. That is the easiest way to get to all the things. I call it my online classroom. And, you know, I have been an educator. Y'all, I'm about to finish. Does anyone want to take a guess before I tell you? Because this week I'm about to complete another year of school. So does anyone want to take a guess as to how many years I've been in education? I'd love to hear your guesses. So tell me what you think before I tell you all. And I won't lose my thought because I have my thought right here. Thanks, Mom. Mom's giving me hearts and flags. I love it. All right, I see Miss Kathy has already made her guess. Let's see if anyone else is guessing. And Miss Kathy's been a great support as well. I really appreciate her so much. So thank you, Miss Kathy. All right, anyone else want to guess? And I'm sure you'll guess on the replay as well. Let's get maybe one more guess and then I'll tell you. Mom knows, so she might. Mom, you can make up a number if you want to. So, oh wow, I love it. Now, Miss Estella, you have made my day. I'm going to read your comment out loud. She says, you look so pretty and young. So she's saying 10 years. Oh my goodness, I love that. Miss Estella, you have made my day. I love it. Mom is guessing 20. I love it, Mom. I told Mom she can guess anything because, of course, I know she knows. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all. So this week, I will actually be completing, drum roll, my brother would do a better drum roll, 25 years, y'all. So Miss Kathy, you were correct. And I say that to say I have been an educator of students, teachers, and other adult ed students I've had. And never would I have imagined that I would also teach online through my business, A Touch of Faith. So God has blessed me. Yes, Miss Estella, 25 years. So God has blessed me now to teach online, and I have wonderful, awesome students who support my creative circle, and I also teach entrepreneurs in my business group through all of the lessons that we teach each week. And I say that to say, never did I know that when I was a little girl at the age of 5, wanting to be a teacher of students. Hey, Miss Michelle, thank you so much. Never did I know that God would then allow me one day to also teach creatives and other entrepreneurs. And so I really feel very blessed and thankful that you all are here supporting me, because you don't have to be here. You could be somewhere else. And so for that, I am really, truly thankful. And so that was another reason I wanted to wait until I was almost out of school for the summer to try to do the 30 days of lives, because I won't have to get up every day and go to work. So that's why we're doing it now. So thank y'all so much for being here and being the very best part of A Touch of Faith. I'm grateful for your support. Even if you never purchase anything, just you showing up here on my lives and interacting with me, commenting, sharing like some of you do. I really appreciate that. And just telling others about what we're doing here. I really appreciate all of your support, because it takes all of us together to make this work. And of course, God is at the head of it, and He ordained this for me. And so I literally am just following what He tells me to do. And I'm so excited that each of you are here to witness that. So yeah, oh, y'all, thank you so much. So yes, so we have lots of great things coming. I will be sure to be back tomorrow for day 3. And I look forward to seeing what we're going to do. I'm not really planning it out per se, but I'm going with the flow. So whatever just comes to me, and I feel like that's what I want to share with us for our live, then that's what we're going to do. So do y'all have any questions? And of course, if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them right here. I would love to take your feedback and input, because I have 28 days. So yeah, let me know. Oh, and thank you. Miss Estella just gave stars. So thank you so much. I'm not used to doing this from my phone, so I can actually see when y'all are donating. So I really appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, so what questions do y'all have before we head out for today? I'm going to step aside again just for a minute so you can see that beautiful wreath. We'll probably end on the wreath so y'all can see that. And I'll wait just a moment to see if anyone has anything else. I've added the link if you want to check out this beautiful design. I think I'm going to do pop-ups, Miss Kathy. I love your question, because I'm not really sure as to what I'm going to do. So I'm thinking that as I'm going about my day, when something sort of just maybe hits me, I'm like, okay, it's time to go live. I might come tell y'all something that was on my mind. Like earlier, I was singing a song that I made up and I forgot it. I was supposed to record myself so I could remember it. So now I am going to have to go back and try to remember. But it was a beautiful little tune that I was singing. So I might come do that. So as of right now, we'll keep our Tuesday And Saturday time's consistent, but these pop up, I guess the next day's lives, they'll probably be more of a pop up, just so that I don't feel like I'm in a set schedule and I've got to do it at this time. I want it to be more of a go with the flow, and you all join if you're able to. Now, if I have an idea of when I'm going live, I'll put something on my page to try to give you a heads up. How about that? Does that sound good? Okay, yay. Thanks, Miss Kathy. Now I'm trying to remember my song, y'all, because I really wanted to, I wanted to record myself and I forgot. Yep, spontaneous, Mom. That's exactly what it is. Okay, so I will see you all back tomorrow. So I can go ahead and tell you it'll be after 3, because I do have to work tomorrow. So it'll be after 3, and I won't do it too late. I know it's 9 o'clock now. I don't consider that to be late. Normally I'm winding down at this point, but we're sort of on summer hours. So I kind of have a little extra time. But we'll say after 3 tomorrow, okay? And then tomorrow we'll talk about Tuesdays, which will be at our normal time around 5:30. All right, have a wonderful, blessed night as well. And I love y'all so much. And have a great week. But I'll see you back on my page tomorrow, okay? Be blessed, everyone. Bye.